Okay, 42 days of Keto Chow. Today is day 37. I'm having my breakfast right now. I forgot to mix up Keto Chow last night with the Dextrose, so that is, well, it's chilling in the refrigerator for a couple minutes. So, yeah, day 2 of doing carbs. Had a lot of gas yesterday. It was actually pretty uncomfortable when I was going to sleep last night. Um, Strangely enough, I did actually lose a bit of weight. You don't have to walk around weird. I did lose a little bit of weight according to the scale this morning, but we'll see how that plays out for the rest of the week. Anyway, um, yeah, so just got a fun Saturday. We're two of my daughters are going to their first school dance because now they're 16 and old and in high school. And my wife's brothers are that have kids are all they're all at a funeral, and so we have all of the cousins from her side of the family here. How many kids do we got here, Ruth?
Um, well, we have Aurora, Cheetah, Isaac, Logan, and Declan.
So 5 in addition to you 6. It's a lot of kids. So anyway, yeah, that's what's going on today, and not much of an update, but hey, at least I remembered to do it this time. So